So it's the festive season, and we still have to be cautious that, it's spent under COVID-19 health and safety protocols for one. With the country in level 1 of the lockdown, businesses that incurred losses due to the harsh regulations are hoping to cash in now. One Joburg eatery is in fact hoping that its garden and fun location will attract people trying to avoid indoor spaces. Let's bring you this report now by our Zikhona Tshona.
Restaurants have taken a hard knock during the harsh lockdown. The hospitality, entertainment and restaurant industries have had to constantly be on edge. One hangout spot in Fourways in Johannesburg that opened just before the pandemic is hoping that it will finally start making money over this festive season.
The business has been struggling throughout lockdown because, there's so many restrictions and, I think we only were allowed to open restaurants like a couple of months ago. And with that also there's limits in how many people, you can host at the restaurant. So it's been really tough navigating that space, considering the fact that, the running costs don't stop because of COVID. So we've had to actually manage the restaurant from out of pocket. But because we can see the vision of it, it hasn't been that difficult, and the fact that there's more than one partner makes it easier. So when it's tough for the other one usually comes through. So that's how we've been managing it so far.
Kahawa Garden Cafe is hidden at the Stable Village Center, which has a range of activities, especially for children. Jezile says while there's always anxiety about a possible lockdown, they have to remain optimistic.
But otherwise, with the pandemic, I feel like at some point it's going to end, As difficult as it is to navigate the space, as being black in the restaurant space in Joburg, it's not easy. There's not a lot of us. So, I've been looking for mentorship programs for my partners because, we haven't really been in the space for long.
So what does the space have to offer?
It's a child-friendly space. I think that's the biggest attraction here at the Stables Village. So you can come with your family. There is face painting for kids. There's ice cream trucks. There's different things. And what we offer is a garden experience. We have ponds. We have animals. So it's I think it's really quite different from your traditional restaurant because we mostly focus on what we can offer on the outside. We host different events, so we host comedy events. We get DJs to come. We're looking at a themed party for New Year's Eve.
The space is open from Thursday to Sunday each week, and owners are hoping that being an outdoor area and being child-friendly will work in their favor. For New Year's Eve, the theme is "Come as what you aspire to be in 2022. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Zikhona Tshona in Johannesburg.